Here are some basic staging tips for your kitchen if you're gonna be selling your home. You wanna make sure you get all of these done before your professional photos are taken if you're gonna list. First off, organize all your cabinets, your fridge. This is a great time to throw away expired food and other stuff that you don't need because you're gonna wanna make space and make sure everything is orderly and looks organized. Take all the magnets off your fridge, especially when you have nice, newer stainless steel appliances. You wanna show them off, and something that can actually look really bad in photos is if the fridge is covered in magnets because it's kind of busy and it draws the attention of whoever's viewing it to that area that appears kind of cluttered. Next up, take everything off of your kitchen countertops. We're gonna start with a completely clean slate, and we're gonna only leave out a couple of your most aesthetic items, whether they're kitchen appliances like maybe a KitchenAid mixer or an espresso machine, and then add a couple of decorations like maybe a bowl of fresh fruit. It could even be fake, but try to keep it at no more than 3 to 5, maybe 7 at the most items. Notice how I only said odd numbers. You want an odd number of things. That's a rule in design. We're gonna deep clean everything, deep clean your appliances, inside and out, your countertops, your backsplash, your cabinets. If you have a stinky drain or a stinky garbage disposal, try using a mixture of vinegar and boiling hot water and baking soda to get rid of those odors. And then one last little trick, leave that light on that's either underneath your range hood or beneath your microwave. It kind of gives the appearance of under cabinet lighting. Just trust me on this one.